Alrighty, welcome to another tutorial. I just wanted to show you quickly how to change the download folders on your Google Chrome web browser. Pretty much by default it goes to your user profile in the download folder, and here we can see an example of that. It's being downloaded. I'm going to show in folder, and then here we see that it is in my user profile and downloads. So some people might have a use case for wanting to put this into their desktop or some other location. So for us to be able to do that, it's pretty easy. You're just going to hit the triple stack of the dots here, and then you're going to go to settings. And then from the settings, we're going to go into the advanced area. And then we're going to click on downloads. Now that we're in the download section, you can see the first option here is the location you would like to put it. So I'm going to click on change. And then for this demo, to make it really obvious, I'm going to tell it to put it on my desktop. I'm going to select that as my folder. We can see it's changed here. And then you don't have to hit the save button. It will save on its own. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to go back to my download page. I'm going to click it again. Now that it has been installed, I'm going to show it in my folder. Now we can see that my installer has been downloaded to my desktop. I can also minimize this and we can see it right here as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, reach out to me on Twitter, and I'll be happy to respond and make a tutorial that helps you. Till next time, have a great day.